Welcome to you in this channel, the Mini Mathematician, and today we are going to discuss a topic graphs with the logarithmic scale. Sometimes, mostly in the engineering works, we are given with the graphs that have the scales with the log. So, for example, in the civil engineering, especially in the geotechnical engineering, sometimes we have to find a C analysis curve. So, for that curve, we need the x-axis with the logarithmic scale, for example, in which the size of the sieve sizes are given in the log scale. So we have to convert our x-axis scale in the logarithmic form. So how to do this? Let's start with this one. First of all, I will this is the sieve sizes are given over here, and the percentage passing through each sieve I will write over here. For example, the first one is 100%, 90%, 85%, and through sieve number 9.5 millimeter the percentage passing is 65.6%, 50%, 40%, 13%, and 6%. So these are the two values for the both x-axis and y-axis. I will start with the usually we'll take the line curve, this type of the graph. I will select the data, add data series. I will write the name of this graph, sieve analysis curve, sieve analysis curve. And the x-axis I will take the data. This the sieve sizes will be taken. This one. On the y-axis we will take the percentage passing through each sieves. So this type of graph we will have. So if you can see that axis title, I will write the title for the all axes, sieve size, change this. Similarly over here, percentage passing. So but now the scale is not a logarithmic scale. On the x-axis it's a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. So I have to convert this type of scale. So I will select on this x-axis and right click, format the axis, format axis. So I will, here you can see that in this is a simple graph, the simple line graph that we have earlier drawn. But if you want to convert this x-axis into log scale, usually the sieve analysis curve is given with the x-axis log scale, and it is always reversed. So what you will do, just select on the x-axis, right click, format the major axis, format the axis, and here you just select the logarithmic scale. This x-axis scale has changed to log scale. Okay, so if you want to reverse the values, just select the other option. But if you want, but normally what we will do, you will just, the y-axis will be always in the left side. So in this here you have to make some changes in when you will draw the graph, then this will be selected automatic. So when you want to give your own value, just select the axis value, and here you just select the 100, because here on this line the value is 100. So just select this thing. Okay, so the y-axis has shifted to on the left side, and just bring its title on the left side. Another thing is, if here it is not visible that the lines between the 1 and 0.1 are divided into 10 parts. So if you want to make these lines visible, you will just select the x-axis, right click, format the minor grid lines. These are format, and again format the minor grid lines. These lines are not visible, and these are very little visible. So if you want to make them more visible, just select the solid lines. Okay, now these are visible, and you can see that this is a log scale in which the values the the portion between the 1 and 0.1 is divided into 10 equal parts. So this is how you can draw the graph with the logarithmic scale.